What's up, everyone? Welcome to the video. Today we're going to take a look at how to replace the battery in this Chevy Spark remote key fob. This Chevrolet Spark key fob is going to use replacement battery CR2032, and I'll put a link in the description box of this video to where you can find these replacement batteries if you're in need. The other thing I'm going to be using to change this key fob battery is a smaller flathead screwdriver. So if we grab our key fob and we hold it with the buttons facing down, and then we take a look down here near the key ring. On the bottom of this back cover, there's this notch right here that I'm putting the end of the screwdriver in. So what you're going to do is stick your screwdriver in that notch like that, and then pry up on the back cover. Go ahead and pull that the rest of the way off. And as I did that, this battery popped out, but that doesn't always happen. If it doesn't pop out, you can grab your screwdriver and get kind of on the edge of it and get it out of that holder. Either way, once our old battery's out, we can grab our new replacement battery, and you want to make sure that you're installing that with the plus side up, positive side up. And I'm going to start this edge in first, like that, and then put it down into place, and then we can snap the back cover on, and that's it. If you could take a second to like and subscribe, it helps us out, and I'd appreciate it. Thank you.